All right, looks like it's a DOP for the DINSHARE. Yep, I'm going to show you something that happened out here. We're going to have to cut it, so we're going to use this. All right, so put my battery on, slide it right on the bottom. Bam, ready to go. And I think I'm going to get some goggles so they don't hurt my eyes. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go out and cut some stuff down. All right, so here's our situation. My giant papaya tree has died and fallen. It's super heavy, so we're gonna have to cut it up using this bad boy right here. Here, let's do it. All right, let's get to it. Let's cut some wood. Here we go. Bam, done. Here we go. Get back here and do it. Right here. All right. Yeah. DINSHARE. This thing is mealy. All right, so now we should be able to get it out of here. Might make another cut here. All right, so now we got it in pieces, and we can take it outside. It's a shame, huh? Look at that. Maybe we'll cut that stump a little bit. Maybe down here. Bam, look at that. Pretty good. Now we just got to clean this thing off. Now we got to clean this thing off. All right, so not a bad job. Now I got to haul it all out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this bad boy. Peace out.